In a string of politically charged hearings, the Supreme Court found itself at the center of a contentious debate over the scope of presidential immunity, testing the very limits of the United States Constitution and pitting textualism against purposeful interpretation. At the heart of the dispute was former President Donald Trump's claim to absolute immunity regarding actions taken while in office, a concept with far-reaching implications for the American political landscape. Wrapped in legal jargon, the discussions ventured into the realm of presidential privileges and immunities, with justices and scholars alike grappling with questions that straddle the line between legal precedent and constitutional silence. The conservative leaning of the court, underscored by figures like Justice Amy Coney Barrett and Samuel Alito, revealed a fascinating interplay of legal philosophies. While Barrett surprised many by critically engaging with both sides of the argument, Alito's commentary skewed towards granting presidents potentially a license to act without fear of prosecution, a stance that ignited fierce debate about the essence of democracy itself. Such positions underscore the ideological rifts within the court and the broader legal community over how best to balance the scales of justice against the backdrop of presidential power. Beyond the legal mechanics and philosophical debates, the hearings resonated with a more ominous undertone, with critics suggesting that granting broad immunity to sitting or former presidents paves the way towards authoritarianism. The specter of a president for life, dismantling democratic norms in pursuit of unchecked power, was evoked, drawing historical parallels that serve as a grim reminder of the stakes involved. This debate is not just about legal principles, but the resilience of American democracy in the face of potential abuses of power. Justice Barrett's role in these discussions was particularly illuminative, bridging the gap between conservative and liberal viewpoints while bringing a critical eye to both sides. Her questions often cut to the heart of the matter, challenging the advocates to clarify their positions and unveiling the nuances of their arguments. This approach not only highlighted her pivotal position within the court, but also underscored the complexity of the issues at hand, reflecting the broader societal and political dilemmas facing the nation. As the Supreme Court navigates these treacherous legal waters, the implications of its decisions extend far beyond the immediate subjects of presidential immunity and abortion. These cases test the foundational principles of American democracy, challenging the justices to reconcile the enduring values of justice, liberty, and the rule of law with the evolving demands of a complex, divided society. The outcomes of these decisions will likely shape the contours of American political life for years to come, reinforcing or redefining the boundaries between the branches of government and the governed, between power and accountability.